Okay, this is how we do it. Pull up and we kill them on arrival. That's a drive-by. Call a Uber because we lit. And you know what's pretty is me staying all the way on the west side. That's the best side.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So if you're joining me for the first time, hi, my name is Martha and this is Martha's Empire. So this year I've decided to start this new series on my channel titled Instagram Inspired Hairstyle, because I'm usually inspired by a lot of 4C hairstyles on Instagram, and I'm going to be bringing those hairstyles to YouTube in a way. So I hope you enjoyed this one. This will be my first video, and yeah, if you're new, hi, welcome to the channel. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Yes, so without further ado, let's get started. Yeah, so for this hair tutorial, first things first, you have to make a deep side part like that. So let's do that.
I know your heart bleeds. I can tell by the way you keep looking at me.
I'm going to tack this hair behind, and we're going to work with this here. So I'm going to corner this section of my hair going backwards. Part like that.
Pieces, none of that bothers me. There's 1,000 reasons to run, reasons to go. I'm gonna love you like my new classic. Words to me, cause you know the other ones were just tragic. Come to arms that know you. Girl, let the thing.
You don't have to corner the hair all the way through, because we're going to put everything in a plan. So let's just gather the rest of the hair.
I know you feel scared. I can tell by the way you pretend you don't care.
So this is when you have the option of either having it as a high puff band or having it as a low puff band. So you decide. But I'm a high puff type of girl, so I'm just going to put everything forward.
Pieces, none of that bothers me. There's 1,000 reasons to run. Oh, reasons to go.
So I'm going to use this scalp oil for my scalp, because I have dry scalp.
Cause you know the other ones were just tragic. Come to arms that know you. Girl, let the pain just keep passing. I'm ready to hold you. You're gonna be my new class.
Yeah, so right about now I'm going to go in to lay my edges with the HAIRSTYLES gel, and this one has argan oil. And this smells good.
Let all the haters keep trashing. I'm ready to love you. You're gonna be my new classic. You're gonna be my new classic. You're gonna be my new classic. Girl, you're gonna be my new classic. You're gonna be my new classic. You say you will. You say you will. You say you will. You say you will. I know you will. I know you will. I know you will. I know you will. Baby, come be my baby, call so. I'm gonna love you like my new classic. To me, cause you know the other ones were.
To finish off, I'm going to spray my hair with the coconut oil shine and hot mist by Cantu Shea Butter. It smells good as well, but I just wish the spray was a little bit more spread in a way. I don't know how to explain it. It just comes out like, I wish it was more like, I don't know if it makes sense, but anyway, you see what I mean? Yeah, but it smells good, so you can just like dab it in like that. Dab it in. Just like dab the rest in. So. Otherwise, it does smell good.
I know what it is to be broken and be bold. tell you that my silver is gold, though I'm much too old for make-believe, and I know what it's like to be held and not be held.
So yeah, that's it guys. I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this new series that I'm about to start. You can support it by liking, and yeah, thumbs up to more videos. But that's it. It's just a simple hair tutorial, and I feel like laying down your edges also gives it a little bit of edge in a way. But if you don't have any edges, it's okay. I don't have edges either, but just lay whatever you can lay. Anyway, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, bye.
You got my heart beating rapido. You got that boom like an angel. You got them hips like Shakira, smile like Dimelo, got me feeling Latino.